Welcome to this tutorial. How to create a list of sequential dates in Excel. Creating a list of sequential dates in Excel might sound tricky, but it's actually very simple. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by manual date entry, this video is for you. Let's dive in and explore these time-saving tricks. Open a new or existing Excel workbook. Click on the cell where you want to start your sequence. Type the starting date in the selected cell and press Enter. Select the cell with the date, then drag the fill handle, a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, downward or across. Release the mouse button to generate sequential dates based on the dragging direction. Using the Fill Series option, enter the starting date in a cell. Highlight the cell and the range you want to fill with sequential dates. Go to the Home tab, click Fill, then select Series. In the Series dialog box, choose Date as the type and select day, weekday, month, or year as needed. Then click OK to create the sequence. Using the Date function, enter the formula equals date, year, month, day in the first cell to define the starting date. In the next cell, enter equals a 1 plus 1. Replace a 1 with your starting date cell to increment the date. Drag the fill handle down or across to extend the date sequence. Using autofill with a pattern, enter 2 consecutive dates in adjacent cells. Highlight both cells and drag the fill handle in your desired direction. Excel will automatically continue the pattern of sequential dates. By following these simple steps, you can create date sequences effortlessly in Excel. Wasn't that easy? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.